Hey guys, Rick from Sonance here, back with another video. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make Latin tech house. It's quite a new wave in the house music scene, with combining tech house with Latin elements. Songs like these did it before. So it's basically a real simple process. You pick a Latin sample, cut it up, and flip it into a tech house song. First we need to look for a Latin sample. So I got Splice loaded up. I took a few samples from the Latin Stacks pack. Contains really dope Latin samples. So first I saw this brass stack. It really matches the vibe of Latin music. So then I found this other sample. Again, just that really typical Latin vibe. But I don't want to have only the Latin samples, I also want to add some more Latin drums in, so I found this sample. So let's drop these samples in FL Studio. I just dropped in the samples in FL Studio. We're gonna work at 126 BPM, the perfect BPM for house music, so I fitted them to the tempo. Speeded them up a little bit. This says that I want to work in F minor, so we're gonna drag it down 7 semitones. Sounding like this. This says that I want to push the sample a little bit more to the background, so we're gonna mix it. First I made sure to get rid of the low ends, because we want to have the bass playing there. I added some more reverb just to push it more to the back as well. And a sidechain. Then I flipped the brass sample as well. Right now it's really dry, so I want to have it more aggressive and add some more wetness. But first, get rid of the low ends. Add some OTT. And distortion. He says that push it a little bit to the sides, make it more stereo. And a lot of reverb. And delay. And again, make sure to get rid of the low ends. So now we're gonna cut up the sample a little bit. I wanna cut the brass stack, so I think we're only gonna use the first shot. Just like this. And then use this fill. And do it all over again. Just like this. He says that we're gonna add a drum loop to it. Already added some more groove. So now we're gonna work on the drums. So let's pick a few samples from the underground pack. First the kick drum. I wanna use this kick. Sounding like this. And then just pick a drum loop from the pack. Let's use this one. Just build a really solid foundation. So then I want to add some more grooves, so I add this drum loop in as well. Then I kind of parallel compressed it, so first get rid of the low end. And then compress it quite a bit. So the transitions of the drums will pop out some more. So we got the drums ready, so now it's time to work on the bass line. So we got this in a preset from Serum. Let's pick a preset from the pack. We'll be using this bass. So we are working in F minor. So this will be the first riff. Just like this. Duplicate it. And make a little variation. And then go down a bit with the last note of the bar. Sounding like this. So then let's add a little sidechain to it. All together sounding like this. which is dope, but I added some more variation to it with some synth and bass steps. Starting off with this one. They're all presets from the pack. And a little scratch effect. And the siren effects. Again, all presets from the pack, as you can see. So together with the bass, it sounds like this. Just makes it more interesting. So the drop is getting there, but again, in my opinion, it was a little bit too boring, so I took this loop from the sample pack on Splice and cut it out those Spanish phrases. Like this one. This one. And these at the end. Again, just adding some more elements to it. Besides that, I got a loop from the beginning. Just as a fill and a drop as well. The track's almost finished, so to finish it off, I added a little breakdown and build up to the track. For the Latin samples we picked, so besides that, I also added a downlifter and some ambient sounds to fit the vibe of the samples. The samples sound like this. Then I added a bassline and drums to the build up, together with a low cut animation on the master channel, and a snare loop. And some pre-drop crashes, sounding like this. I think the bass works really well together with the samples, so that's it for the Latin style tech house track. I think it turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it in the comments. Besides that, if you liked the video, please drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next videos.